I'll first come to Justice Chelameswar, and the topic today, as we are talking about judicial executive overreach versus judicial independence, the current debate is about judicial appointment of the judges. And interestingly, you were the one who actually supported that executive law, that law passed by Parliament about appointment of judges, National Judicial Commission appointment. And interestingly, Justice Joseph later, who said that he regrets opposing that bill or that act. So first question is to Justice Chelameswar, how do you see the current situation? Now, the current situation that the debate is going on, and the way the former law minister actually levels some of the Supreme Court judges as anti-national, and this... okay, he didn't name anyone, but if you are trying to take...
I said I topped the list perhaps.
But how do you see this debate? What's the way out now? Because the government is delaying many appointments. They are even picking up peculiar reasons like the sexual orientation of a judge to negate the appointment. So under these circumstances, do you think that you did the wrong by opposing that bill?
No, I don't think I did anything wrong in writing the dissenting judgment. Please remember, it was a bill passed by the Parliament unanimously. If I remember right, only one vote went against that bill. Ms. Chidambaram will correct me. I think it's Ram Jethmalani who voted against that bill. Rest of them, including Ms. Chidambaram, supported that bill. No, this question is not one of party, this party or that party. In constitutional law, as a student of constitutional law, I found it difficult to believe that an elected government, irrespective of the hue of the government, which party it is, which name it carries, would have no say at all in the matter of the appointment of judges of this country is something as a student of constitutional law I never understood in a democratic country. Forget about less democratic countries, is a different, this kind of a debate would never arise. Even in a democratic country, to tell them that you will not have any place in the matter, and I fail to understand that they are abusing that position. Some party or some minister is abusing, or some minister is abusing individual judges is a different story. But on a principle, I still believe that is a correct legal position, and I have no reason to change my views.
But the current Chief Justice, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, he says that Collegium system is the best. And you actually declined to be part of the Collegium.
Yes.
Once you wrote to the CGI that you do not want, you cited lack of transparency. So could you elaborate? One incumbent Chief Justice is saying this is the best system. You alleged lack of transparency.
Yes, I did.
But why? Means how do you respond to this statement that it is the best possible system, that Collegium system is the best possible system for appointment of judges?
Sorry, and it's not very clear. Can you come and keep it slightly away?
Yeah, I am asking you, how do you respond to this statement that Collegium system is the best possible system for judicial appointments?
I don't agree with it. I never agreed with it.
But why?
I gave the reasons because the process is absolutely opaque. Quite a large number of decisions, nobody understands why they are taken. You want concrete example, but that will annoy a lot of people, a lot of unpleasantness will be generated. I can take one, anyway, I don't want to put others in.
Please go ahead, please go ahead.
See, this is once again, it happened all the time, not only in the last 10 years, earlier also. Notwithstanding the declaration that the Supreme Court judgment, Collegium is the last word, quite often we see that some recommendations are made, they are not acted upon. Time later, the Collegium withdraws the recommendation. Now what does it indicate? What does it indicate? So therefore, do you still think it is the best mechanism available for appointment? There is something fundamentally wrong with the logic. So what is more important is the process is made more transparent. There will be some amount of accountability. That transparency is missing. That's my complaint. Therefore, I abstain from that.